Hey friends, it's Brenda and I'm going to show you how to face paint this adorable little duck. Pause the video whenever you need to and let's get started. For this one you're going to need some black and white, yellow, orange, and blue, a number 12 filbert brush, and a number 1 round brush. Load your filbert brush into the yellow and make a big circle or a little circle. I like to always make my cheek art big. Then for the body, it is a Nike swoosh up. So you push and pull it up and you're going to fill in the rest like a little oval to fill in the rest of the body. Dip your filbert brush into your orange, and for the beak, it is a little teardrop. I'm also going to use that same brush for the little cheek. Rinse out your brush and grab the light blue. We're going to make the little splashes, and it's a teardrop. I'm using the edge of my brush, and you can add more if you'd like. Load your number 1 brush with black and outline the whole bird. For its little wing, it's basically like a sideways heart with an extra little lobe at the bottom. Then load up your number 1 round brush with some white and give it a little highlight if you'd like. You could be done here if you want to, but I'm going to outline the whole thing in white just to make it stand out a little bit better. Couple of little dots, you can call them bubbles, completely optional. There you have it, a cute little duck. I do this one a lot at parties. If you've enjoyed this video, please leave me a comment down below. Also do all the other things, and I would love to see your version of the duck, so post it on Instagram, tag me at FacePaintFriends, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.